Hi, it's Vanya from your Georgian Bay Dream Team and Rebel Realty Georgian Bay. I want to welcome you to our newest listing at 1362 Tiny Beaches Road North. The home that's been fully renovated, but one of the best features is this gorgeous beach in front of it, magnificent views of our bay, Collingwood and Blue Mountain. But let's go inside and see the rest of the home. This great gourmet kitchen is fully renovated. You have custom-made cupboards, built-in appliances that are of course included in the purchase, but one of the nicest features is, again, a water view and a walkout to a beautiful deck for entertaining and beautiful summer evenings. The main floor features living room, but also this great games room, which you could technically turn into a master bedroom if you prefer to have your master bedroom on the main floor. Fully renovated second floor offers 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. There's captain cabin, blue lagoon, sand dunes. Whichever room you choose to be your favorite one, you will have this spectacular view of the bay. We hope you enjoyed the rest of the tour of this great property. For more videos, photos, visit our website at Georgian Bay Dream Team or give us a call for a private showing. My direct line is 705-427-3456, georgianbaydreamteam.com.